Hey, so I just got back from Carson City, Nevada, and I've got to say, I wasn't expecting to love it this much. It's one of those places that just kind of sneaks up on you with its charm, history, and chill vibe. So here's a fun fact to kick things off. Carson City is actually the capital of Nevada, but it's not a huge place. The population is just under 60,000. That smaller size is kind of what makes it so appealing. Everything's close by, super walkable, and the pace is just relaxed. I started off in downtown Carson City, which has this old western feel mixed with a little modern charm. There are local shops, cozy cafes, antique stores, and wide streets that make it easy to explore on foot. It's quiet in a good way, like the city's inviting you to slow down and enjoy the moment. Then I headed to the Nevada State Museum, and I'm telling you, this place is packed with surprises. It's inside a former US mint, and they've got everything from a full underground mine replica to an enormous mammoth skeleton and artifacts from Nevada's mining days. Just outside, there's something really cool, a large bronze replica of the Liberty Bell. It's a popular photo spot and a nice little patriotic. One of the coolest parts of my trip was walking the Kit Carson Trail. It's this self-guided route that winds through the city's historic district and passes more than 60 old homes, landmarks, and churches. The architecture is beautiful, and there are little signs everywhere telling stories from back in the day.
So I'm walking down the side streets of Carson City, and it's so peaceful, so quiet. There's nobody around in the streets here. So I'm on my way to the governor's house, mansion, and I'll see what it looks like. Okay, bye.
Right nearby is the Nevada governor's mansion, and let me tell you, it's stunning. With its big white pillars and wraparound porch, it seriously looks like something from a movie. Of course, you can't visit Carson City without seeing the Nevada State Capitol building. It's this elegant stone building surrounded by towering trees and beautiful gardens. You can walk inside and even explore the legislative chambers. After visiting the Capitol building, I found a quiet spot at Memorial Park, which is right next to the Capitol. It's a peaceful little area with a beautifully done Veterans Memorial. A perfect place to pause and reflect. I stopped by the Nevada State Railroad Museum, which was way more fun than I expected. They've got restored steam engines, vintage passenger cars, and even some hands-on exhibits. So yeah, Carson City isn't flashy, but it's full of stories, scenery, and a kind of quiet charm you don't find everywhere. Definitely worth spending a day or two if you're anywhere near northern Nevada. Trust me, this place is a hidden gem.